Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro. Today we're going to be working on Lasagna Bolognese. It's one of the recipes that'll be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need: the ricotta, the grated cheese, and 3 eggs.
The step we're going to do is going to crack the eggs, then put it in.
Cheese next, grated cheese.
1 teaspoon of black.
And put the parsley and the basil.
I'm going to mix everything right now.
And now I'm going to go ahead and cook this beautiful lasagna. And I'm just going to continue stirring, and I'm going to put some sauce at the bottom. And I'm going to take my noodles and start building like a little package. And 2 pieces on this side.
Put the lasagna in the oven for 45 minutes. The lasagna is ready, Noni.
Here's our final product, Lasagna Bolognese. Stay tuned for my next dish.
Thank you for watching.